Welcome back to my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Hantec. On Thursday 15th of August, looking at gold, which has still crept higher. Yesterday's move was a closing level of 1516, which was the highest actually since 2013. Continues to move ever slightly higher. There is a basis whereby, though, that if you look on the hourly chart, the market is effectively trading in something of a bit of a trading range, around a pivot of 1510. 1510 provided the basis of resistance last week, and has since then become a minor pivot area. I'm not saying that this is going to be a consolidation whereby we start to see the market coming strongly lower, but I just think that this is a point at which we could see that the market being restricted to the upside. You've seen this through the stochastics, where they've just started to drift lower a bit. The RSI looks a bit weighty, maybe. It's around 70. The MACD lines are starting to just sort of consolidate as well. We could see a situation where we saw back in June into July, where the market just starts to move in a sideways pattern really over the course of a few weeks. And I'm not entirely convinced that this is going to be a move that starts to sort of be a restrictive move around 1534, which was that high that we saw on Tuesday, and a little bit of a warning candle. But that is interesting that we continue to see weakness being bought into. 1481. Last week I was speaking about gold, and I was saying that maybe if the gold price started to drop below 1500, we could see a correction coming through. And 1481 obviously was the reaction low on Tuesday, before once more regaining a little bit of a sense of the buyers moving forward again. And you actually saw the market unwinding over $50 in the space of 4 hours before starting to develop support and pulling higher again. But that pivot at 1510 is interesting. That's coming back in as a support again, and it just seems as though that the weakness continues to be bought into. But it's just that at the moment I'm seeing that this could start to develop into something of a bit of a consolidation pattern. 1534 is the resistance at the moment, 1481 is the support, and you can see on the hourly chart where sort of between 30 and 70 is starting to feature on the RSI. You've seen the MACD lines bear cross actually above neutral, so that could again see a restricted upside move. A little bit of a pull lower on the stochastics as well. So some sort of a consolidation could start to form on gold. But it is interesting that the weakness continues to still be seen as a chance to buy, or at least be supported, and 1481 is a reflection of that. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. I will wish you to good luck, and also you can subscribe to our analysis videos on YouTube, but also go to our website where you can join up for our trading webinars, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.